Hi, I'm Vishnu Tes, presenting our app for DevCraft by Excel 2020. So let's go to the app, and this is our app, Coursify, the homepage of our app. So it's basically a website where students can enroll for different courses. This is the main page, and if I scroll down, I can see all the courses that are currently available on this website. So for each course, we have the title and the author of the course, and the number of students who have currently enrolled for the course. And also each course has different tags associated with it. So if I click on one of these tags, then I can get all the courses associated with that tag. So I click on JavaScript, I can get all the courses that have JavaScript with them. Alternatively, I can also filter courses by selecting one of them from these popular categories. So let's say I want to learn mobile, then it gives me all the courses related to mobile. If I select web development, it will give me everything related to web development. So we can filter courses here, and we can also search for a course. Let's say I'm searching for React, and I get the course which is matching with React. Also, if I search for something that doesn't exist, say some it says no courses match your query, so we can go back to all courses. So yeah, that's the basic functionality of this home page. We have filter by tags, or filter by categories, or we can search for a particular course. Now let's go to the course page. So on each course, if I click on this view course, it takes me to the course page, and in the course page we have the title of the course, the skills that we will learn by enrolling for this course, the average rating and reviews, and the author of the course. Also it shows the number of users who are currently enrolled for this course, and a brief description about the course. And if I click on reviews here, it brings me down to the review section, where we can see reviews made by different users, and we can also add in our review, but we must be logged in to do that. So if I try enrolling for this course, I must be logged in, otherwise I can't enroll for the course. So let me just try it, and it takes me to their login page. So it says we must be signed in to do that, and I can log in here, or if I don't have an account, I can just create an account. It's very simple. So let me just quickly create an account. Put the name as Harry, and username is Harry. Email is harry@gmail.com, and if I don't fill in a field and I try to submit, it will not submit. It is validated here, so it gives me this red warning because I have to fill in a password. So let me just quickly do that, and yeah, cool. So we have signed in, we have created an account, and we have signed in. So now I can go to this course and enroll for different courses. So I came to this course page. Right now there are 8 people who are currently enrolled. So let me just enroll to this course, and yeah, it says we have enrolled successfully, and the number of people who enrolled also gets updated. So all of this is real time. And also we can click on this instructor, the name of the instructor, to view their profile and see all the courses that are taught by this particular instructor. So these are the courses that are taught by this instructor. So let's say I want to go to this course and maybe enroll for that as well. Yeah, so we can enroll for multiple courses. Just enrolled successfully. I can also let me just go to the home page and maybe enroll for one more course. Let's say I want to learn machine learning. So there's nobody like enroll for this, and I can enroll for this course. And also I can add in my reviews. So currently since we are signed in, we have this review form where we can add a rating between 1 to 5 stars. So I think this is a good course. I'll give it a 5-star, and just quickly give a review, and I can submit my review. So our review comes with our name displayed and the rating and our review. Also we have the option to delete our review if we change our mind later on. So we can always delete our review, and this gets updated here, and the number of reviews also gets updated. So all of this is real time. So that's the basic functionality of the course page. So you can enroll for as many courses as you want, and once you have enrolled you cannot enroll again. It's all validated on the server. And also we can check out our profile. So on the top right I can click on my profile and it takes me to my profile page, where we can see our name and the username and all the courses which we have enrolled for. So I right now went and enrolled for these 3 courses and it shows them right here. So I can go to them directly from here as well, and we are already enrolled. Yeah, so that these are the features of this application, and I can log out now, and we are logged out successfully. I can log in or register anytime. So yeah, we have yeah, so these are the features. We have filtering the course by tags. We can search for a course, we can log in, create an account, and all these are validated on the server side also. We can't have multiple users with the same name and all. It's all validated. So yeah, I do hope this was informative. And the tech stack we have used for this, on the backend we have Node.js, Express, and a Mongo database. And it also has validations on the server side. And on the front end we have HTML, EJS, CSS, and JavaScript. And also, yeah, this app is currently deployed on Heroku. So this URL is live. You can visit this URL to see the working, the same application which I just showed live, and experience it for yourself. And this is the GitHub repo of the project. So yeah, I hope this was informative, and I hope you enjoyed. Thank you.